We just finished talking about diversification. Well, one of the reasons that people diversify is because they're unsure how to pick a particular stock and feel confident that that play could work. What if we could help you understand how to have more confidence in a play because you have an anticipation of what you believe that actual play is going to do? Remember when you were young, you used to do those connect the dot puzzles. You'd start out with number 1, you go to 2 and 3 and so on, and then eventually a picture would emerge. Well, as you were trying to draw the picture, you're trying to figure out when you recognize what it was making. And should I draw a straight line? Should I draw a curved line? What is this picture supposed to be about? And as you continue to connect those dots, that picture became clear. Well, trading is a complex picture for many people. In fact, it's the reason why they don't even attempt to try it, because it seems too big. It just seems like a conglomeration of dots all over the place, and they don't see any way that they fit together. One of the things that we're trying to do is to take a complex issue and make it simple. So what we help you to understand is how a stock moves. So sometimes it's up and sometimes it's down. Well, what if you could figure out these different pivot points so you knew when it was going to turn and go up and when it was going to turn and go down? And you were able to connect those dots into a picture that made a lot of sense so that you knew when to enter a play and when to exit a play. So when you see that a stock is moving down, you'll find that it hits what we call support. Support is much like a trampoline. When you hit a trampoline, you bounce back up. When a stock hits its support, it bounces back up, but there's also a line on top that's called resistance. And resistance acts like a ceiling. When your stock hits that, it tends to move back down. Now, what if you could buy a stock as it was bouncing up and then sell it before it moved back down? Would that make trading easier for you? We believe so. If you'd like to learn more about how this works, we're here to help you.